Now children, today let's start with chapter number 6, visual processing. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the pixel puzzles, find the differences in direction and map. So first is picture puzzles. So picture puzzle is a type of puzzle that involves series of pictures. These types of puzzle improve our visual processing skill. ये हमारे visual processing skills को क्या करती है, अच्छा बना. Odd one out is a type of picture puzzle in which we cross out the odd item. इसमें क्या करते हैं, जो भी odd item है उनको हम cross out. We have to look for the item that is not matching other item. For example, in the 4 picture below, the first 3 are utensils, whereas last picture is the odd one. वो क्योंकि utensils नहीं है, वो सब. ऐसे यहाँ पे सब आपको देख रहे हैं. You have to circle flower है, flower and सा fruit, right? ये सारे आपके junk food है and that broccoli is the healthy. Now finding the differences. So for that, find the difference in the type of picture puzzle in which what happen we find the difference. हम जो given pictures है उनके बीच में differences देखते हैं. And there could be a difference in the shape, pattern, color, object, location. Right? और visual processing skills होते हैं वो skills होती है that our brain uses to make senses. Right? Now see the differences in them marked in the second unit. Difference in shape, difference in design or difference in color. You have to tell yourself. Now direction and map. Direction and map are used for pointing the location. By particular area में आपको जब लोकेशन देखनी होती है किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं डायरेक्शन. We have 4 main direction, north, east, south, west, right? And we can also locate an object by using maps. Now let's find out the location of the object. Look at the letter C and number 1. ठीक है, आप letter C और number 1 को देखें. The bird are at C1, right? ऐसे B and number 4 stone है. CN2 sun, DN3 butterfly, EN4 flower, DN2 fish and spot is the location of the position. So A3, B3, C3 are the spots. Right? This is all about the word processing chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.